ProfitTok, the first ever TikTok autoresponder. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All you have to do to log in with your TikTok profile is to just scan this QR code right here, and then that's it. And done, we are in. We can now go ahead and check out my profile on TikTok. And then we can see I haven't posted anything yet. And then we can go ahead and post something. So let's select our profile. And then let's write a caption, or you know what, even better yet, I'll have OpenAI write the caption for me. So let's do something like, so I have a video about a video game that I've played recently, and I just want them to generate a caption for me, and we'll give OpenAI some time to do that. And I really like this caption, so we'll keep this caption as it is, and we're just going to add the video, and done. So we have the video here, we have the cool caption written by OpenAI, and we can just go ahead and post immediately. And let's go ahead and check out our profile here. We'll reload. And surely enough, here it is. We can access it, we can listen to it. And we have the really cool caption here as well. So everything is exactly as we've scheduled it in ProfitTok. Now, everything that ProfitTok can do doesn't stop to just posting on TikTok and generating captions using ChatGPT. You can also schedule your posts as well as using our built-in URL shortener to make sure you have maximum engagement for your videos, as well as putting in minimal effort. And with a built-in file manager, as well as caption generator, and not to mention an included watermark generator to make sure that all of the content you post is watermarked and 100% unique, ProfitTok is an absolute no-brainer. So check out the first TikTok autoresponder today, and I cannot wait to see you inside.
Did you know we are turning TikTok into our personal ATM by using ChatGPT? Yes, I'm talking about $330 per day dominating TikTok with the easiest AI video maker ever. We just plug our affiliate links into ProfitTok and watch it create pro-level short videos, publish them to TikTok, and get masses of visitors. It's using next-level algorithm hacking to get TikTok to promote you and literally pay you to help them nuke Instagram and Facebook Reels. And the best part? There's zero video creation required. ChatGPT and AI do all the work for you. It even comes with commercial license so you can sell videos to other people. Introducing ProfitTok. It's the only video creator and publisher that combines TikTok and AI like never before. You see, all the traffic is now going to short videos. That's TikTok plain and simple. They're pulling 5 trillion views a month. Only problem? No existing video makers leverage ChatGPT, AI video creation, and TikTok yet. So, you're stuck making the videos yourself and posting them manually. Listen, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook already sounded the alarm to the AI wars. It's happening. And TikTok is pouring billions into their own tech to help them fight Instagram Reels and YouTube. That's where ProfitTok comes in. It's the easiest video maker out there. Takes seconds to output hundreds of unique TikTok shorts and does it all with AI, making TikTok in love with this new tech. They can't stop promoting it. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface. Step 2. Insert your keyword and let ProfitTok's ChatGPT-Powered AI auto-curate, clone, cut, and publish your short video. Step 3. One click sends it to TikTok. Schedule, queue, or post. with control for multiple accounts, built-in video library and editor, and my personal fave, a built-in affiliate link shortener so you can drop your affiliate links right inside your TikTok posts. There's no video creation required, and traffic comes in fast. With OpenAI integrated and working in other languages, TikTok is literally rolling out the red carpet for you. They're paying you to help them nuke Instagram Reels. ProfitTok is the ultimate video creator and publisher. It's fully in the cloud, it's simple to use, and it lets you do everything you could dream of. And that's because commercial license is included right into ProfitTok. That means you can use it for yourself, but also start a thriving passive business, creating and editing videos for others, letting the software do the work for you. ProfitTok is the next big step in video marketing. The only problem? The limited release discount price is only available for the next few hours. So go ahead right now and secure your copy today. Join this revolution with us.